YouTube, putting in the tubes in the old Buffalo boiler. I just want to show y'all, I took one of these beading tools that had the larger diameter shank on it, but I got just a little air hammer and turned that down 410 to put that in there and see if it would work, and it is working quite well. Look at the bead on these. And I'm going to do this one for you and show you that you don't need a gigantic beading tool, or the air hammer rather, for the tool. So here we go. There we go. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, small cheap air hammer and a turn down shaft to go in there, and it comes out looking like a TIG weld. The reason I painted the tube sheet yellow was to show the scale that needs to come off. But another day in the repair process of the old Buffalo boiler. About 100 and some tubes to go, something like that. Okay.